What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to the channel, you guys. Thank you for tuning in today. I'm really tired. I had to record at night because during the day it's been hectic. My wife and I just had our new baby daughter, Aaliyah. We welcomed her on the 12th of this month, just a few days ago. So if I look like I'm sleepless, it's because I am. So forgive me for looking tired, but I'm just gonna get into the unboxing today. I have a couple more sneakers that I ordered along with these other Grail sneakers that I recently unboxed, and I got them in late, so I couldn't add them to that last video, so I'm just making a new video. But besides the other two hype sneakers that I picked up, I have a few other sneakers here, and I'm just gonna get right into it, guys. This first sneaker is actually a sneaker that I've already unboxed on the channel, and because this arrived so late, my buddy threw me his pair so I could show them to you in a timely fashion. So you guys have already seen this shoe, nothing crazy, but the first one is a 350. It's the box right here, and stay tuned, you guys, to the middle of the video. I'm probably going to announce a new giveaway. So the first shoe right here is a shoe, like I mentioned, I already showed you guys. It's 350 Saiyan taupe. Got like a reddish orange upper right there, and on the other side it's all brown. I did a comparison video, if you guys want to check that out. It's a couple videos ago where I compared these to the Yeezy Earth 350, which are my wife's. But yeah, pretty dope sneaker right here, you guys. I'm just gonna throw them up here for you guys to take a look at. I'm gonna move on. Since I already unboxed them, I'm not really gonna talk about them a whole lot. This next one is a Sneakers app hit. These boxes are a little different, and it's my first time hitting on this shoe. And let's see here, it's a 9.5, my size, and this one is the React Overbreak. Sorry, it's the Overbreak, but it's got a React midsole. That's why I wanted to say React. Check it out over here, you guys. It's a very thick React midsole, and it's a really comfortable sneaker. I'm probably going to try these on, and very nice upper. It's kind of a really rough suede, and I thought it was going to be softer, but it's really rough, really thick rope laces right here, multicolored rope laces. Very cool bottom right there, a lot of tread, and besides that, you got some Nike branding on the tongue, on the inside as well. And pretty cool sneaker, you guys. This says Overbreak right there on the tongue as well. I may or may not wear these, but nevertheless, it's a decent looking sneaker. Throw these up here as well. And oh, actually, extra laces, extra rope laces with these. That's actually really cool. This next shoe right here, you guys, is a shoe that I personally hit on at Finish Line, and it's the Jordan 1 Volt Gold. Check it out over here. Is actually surprisingly good material on this. The leather isn't the best, but it gets the job done. This right here is actually, I thought this was a nylon material in pictures before it dropped, but this is actually leather. And then the gold part is it's pretty nice leather as well. Black bottoms, extra laces, and this has got an off-white look with like the exposed foam right there. But yeah, pretty cool Volt Golds right here. I'm not a crazy fan of these, but another cool detail is actually the tongue. Normally this detail is on the inside and the Nike Air is on the front, but they flipped it, so the Nike Air is on the back, and a bunch of branding and information is on the front here. But really cool shoes, you guys. And actually, this is the shoe that I'm going to be giving away. So if you guys are new to the channel, I'm going to post a picture on IG of these, and just check out the post. I'll link it in the description box as well. I'll be giving away these shoes right here, you guys. So make sure you check it out if you're new to the channel. Let's move on. Actually, I'll throw these up here as well. Let's move on to the last two sneakers, and these last two sneakers are the main focus of the video, and I don't know which is which. They came in together, and I think I got them on the same app. I ordered both of these off of the SneakerCon app, and I'm very excited to show you these shoes, you guys. One is a Dunk and one is a Jordan 4. So yeah, this one is the Jordan 4. I can tell by the box right here. And bust these open, you guys. And here they are, you guys. It is the Travis Scott Jordan 4 check it out over here. It's a shoe I've always wanted. You got the Cactus Jack hang tag right there. You got Cactus Jack branding on the back as well, and Jordan Flight on the tongue right there, and just all blue, university blue shoe. Nice bottom right there with the Jumpman, and you got the legit tag right here that SneakerCon does. And if you guys don't know, if you order off of eBay, eBay actually throws like a legit tag like this as well. And actually I think SneakerCon is the one that teamed up with eBay to do legit checks, and it's a very similar tag. If you order off of eBay, you get like an eBay tag just like this, but this one's a SneakerCon tag. So yeah, dope Jordan 4 Travis Scott right here, you guys. Really excited to have these in the collection as well. I'm just gonna throw these up here, and I'm gonna move on to the last shoe. Very excited to have this last shoe as well, and I just lost my knife. There it is. This last shoe, like I said before, is a dunk, and very, very crazy dunk, you guys. Here's the box, Nike SB, and I'll throw, maybe this might be my thumbnail right here. So there's that right there, and here's you guys will probably know, this is gonna give it away, but here's the paper right there, and the shoe itself, oh my goodness gracious, it is the Travis Scott Dunks, you guys. Check it out. These things are absolutely insane. You got the Cactus Jack branding right there in the tongue. You got embroidered Nike on the back, the bandana Travis Scott look. You got literally the rope laces. Normally they're like, we call them rope laces because they're like the thick laces. Like if you compare the Chicago Dunks, they're just like thick rope laces, but these are literally rope laces right there. And let's see here, on the inside you just got Nike SB, and you got a bunch of wording on the side here, up on the collar ankle area, and very buttery smooth toe box, you guys. Got just a clean bottom right there, tan bottom. Really excited to have these in the collection as well. I just recently picked up the Strange Loves right here behind me, and I got the Blue Lobsters right there, the Sea Crystals. Just another fire dunk to add to my already nice dunk collection, you guys. And just really excited to have these. First time seeing them in hand. Wow, I really, really like these shoes. Insane, insane. Really happy to have these, guys. But that's it for the unboxing. Don't forget, like I mentioned, I'm giving these away. So if you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing. I'm always doing giveaways. And if you're a loyal viewer, I really appreciate you guys taking the time, watching the videos, and supporting the channel. And hopefully I can continue to give back in the future. So this is another one of my thank yous to everybody watching. Check out the description with this giveaway, and like I said, forgive me if I look tired in the video because just had a new baby. So anyway, thanks again for watching, and hit that like button if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.